My name is Amir. For many years, my mind was always busy. Not busy with useful thoughts, but busy with worry. If something small happened, I thought about it all day. If someone said something strange, I kept replaying it in my head. My mind felt like a crowded room. Too many thoughts, too many questions, too many worries. Sometimes I even worried about things that never happened. One day I worried about an exam result. I imagined the worst situation. I imagined failing. I imagined people laughing. I imagined disappointment everywhere. But when the results came, I had actually done well. That day I realized something. My mind was creating problems that did not exist. Still, I did not know how to stop this habit. One evening, I went to the park near my house. An old man was sitting quietly on a bench. He looked peaceful, not just relaxed, peaceful. I wondered how someone could sit so quietly while the world around us was always moving. After a few minutes, he noticed me watching him. He smiled and said, "You look like you are carrying many thoughts." I laughed a little. He was right. I said, "My mind never stops thinking." He nodded. Then he pointed to the small lake in the park. The water was calm. He said, "Look at the lake. When the water is calm, you can see your reflection clearly. But when the water is disturbed, the reflection disappears." I looked at the water carefully. Then he continued, "Your mind works the same way. When your mind is noisy, your thinking becomes unclear. But when your mind becomes calm, your thinking becomes powerful." His words stayed with me. That night, I decided to try something different. Instead of reacting to every thought, I started observing my thoughts. When a negative thought appeared, I asked myself, "Is this real? Or is this just imagination?" Sometimes the answer surprised me. Many of my worries were not real. They were just stories created by my mind. Slowly, I started practicing calm thinking. Before reacting to a situation, I paused. Before worrying about the future, I asked myself, "Is this happening right now?" If the answer was no, I let the thought go. This habit did not develop in one day. Some days my mind was still noisy, but slowly, my thinking became clearer. I started solving problems better. I started making better decisions. I noticed something interesting. When my mind became calm, life also felt calmer. Because the biggest problems in life are not always outside. Sometimes they are inside our own minds. Today, whenever my thoughts become messy, I remember the quiet lake. And I remind myself, a calm mind creates clear thinking. Final thought. Your mind is powerful, but it becomes truly powerful only when it is calm and clear. Take a moment to pause. Take a moment to think slowly, because clear thinking creates a better life. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep improving your thinking. And always remember, a calm mind makes wise decisions.